Thank you, sir. Time now for This Week in Auto History. Mr. Mars, frozen or not, is going to do This Week in Auto History. Take it away, Buster Brown.
Yes, sir. I'm happy to do that. So this week in auto history, I'm going to run through this kind of quick because we are running a little behind, like you said. In 1893, the Duryea Motor Wagon Company was founded. Now, this is important because they actually had the first gasoline-powered.
We'd like to see you full screen there, Mr. Mars. Is that possible? Because we're just sitting here like lumps on the log.
Well, because I was wanting to make sure you were good.
Oh, God.
Now I can't see you. No, I can't. I'm sorry. I'm messing with you. Anyway, this led to the foundation of the Duryea Motor Wagon Company. Now, this is the first automotive manufacturing business that was actually way ahead, a decade almost ahead of Henry Ford. The other thing that happened in 1904 this week, the Buick Motor Company moves to Flint, Michigan. Now, this is important because this set the stage for Buick to actually become General Motors in 1908. They kind of developed it, but it also created the powerhouse of Flint, Michigan in the automotive industry. That's when people started moving there and it really started taking off. 1926, Route 66 was approved. 2,448-mile highway became the mother road from Chicago to Santa Monica. Went through several states. We talked about it through Texas and several other states. 1967, the first episode of Speed Racer. Forgot to push the buttons. First episode.
We're okay with all that. You just go.
Yeah.
Keeping
Speed
on.
Racer aired, and this is the Great Plan Part 1. Introduced Speed Racer and all his buddies. Now, in 1968, the AMC Javelin went on sale. Now, this was AMC's entry into the pony car wars against the Mustang and the Camaro. It was pretty stylish. It was pretty popular, but it just did not hang on and did not last very long. 1967, the Ford Aspire was produced. It never rang a bell when I read this and started looking into it.
Did you call it an
A-S-P-I-R? How do you say it? A-S-P-I-R-E.
It's made by Taco Bell. The Aspire.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Anyway, it ended its brief U.S. run in 1967. It was basically a world car, and they brought it in trying to be in the subcompact market, and it did not work very well.
What did you call it?
A-S-P-I-R-E is the way it's spelled.
How do you pronounce that?
I pronounce Aspire.
Aspire.
How do you say it?
I think it would be called Aspire. You aspire to be something other than what you are.
I'm going down to Art Greenlee's to buy an Aspire.
Aspire. Let me have Aspire. You got a war.
All right, so
put that on next week's
1984, Chrysler introduces the minivan. Now, this is something that it really has. It's still producing minivans, and it really is a family vehicle, a people mover. A lot of people use it for like small buses. A lot of events use them to transport people, and it's really changed the world as we see, kind of leading into the SUV market that we're into now. 2004, Tata Motors actually rang the opening bell at the New York Stock Exchange whenever they become
hand in hand with Aspire.
They got a joint venture going. Welcome to the joint venture.
Yeah,
Tata Aspires.
Yeah, so that's the Tatas right there. Then in 2008, the movie Death Racers was released. Now, it's a low-budget action film starring rap duo Insane Clown Posse was the stars of this, and they were forced to compete in a deadly cross-country race. Lots of violence, dark humor, and over the top.
Kind of like this show.
Thank you, Michael.
Oh, my gosh.
God.